If you've been searching for ways to make money online recently, then look no further, because today I have a super easy, brand new, and free strategy for you. It will allow you to earn $100 or more within minutes by just copying and pasting. It doesn't involve a single social media platform, and it does work worldwide. So just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you want to see more, give this video a thumbs up below. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, be sure to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said, let's get right into it. Alright, so the very first site I will be going over today, guys, is called socialpilot.co. This is essentially a tool that will manage your social media accounts, and many people out there who are perhaps running a business or something like that simply don't have time to run their social media would look for sites just like this one to do the work for them, so they can focus on other things in their life. Now, something I really love about this site is the fact that its prices are amazing, just like it says here. By scrolling down a bit, you'll see the exact differences in prices between Social Pilot and some of its biggest competitors, and they are huge. Not only does Social Pilot offer a free trial, but it also offers substantially lower prices than other similar sites. For managing 25 accounts, they'll charge you with $30 per month, which, let's face it, is not a lot of money no matter how you look at it. This site, meanwhile called Hootsuite, will charge you $130 for just 20 profiles. Over 4 times as much money for fewer profiles managed. In my opinion, the low prices are one of the best features of this site, and it's very important for us, and you'll see why soon enough. Now, with that said, guys, you can read more about this site, check out all the cool features they have, but I won't do so I don't prolong this video. So let's get right into it. What you need to do now is scroll down to the very bottom of the page. From there, you need to find and click where it says Affiliate Program. Now, I want you to keep watching because this strategy is not like other affiliate strategies you might have come across. We won't be using a single social media platform to promote Social Pilot, as I said in that intro. I will instead show you a way to find people who will need this tool to do the work for them and who will be more than happy to sign up to it, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, as far as their affiliate program is concerned, Social Pilot has some things about it that make it very worthwhile in my opinion. For starters, they offer you 30% commissions, which is very good. And even though there are sites that offer higher commissions, something that will draw more people to this site is the free trial that I mentioned previously. Having that balances things out a bit, simply because when people try this out for free and see that it's helping them, they'll be more willing to pay them. Meanwhile, not having a free trial makes things more difficult because people have to pay them first. That, of course, incurs risk because they don't know for sure whether or not this is a legitimate website. And they, rightly so, don't just want to give away their money like that. In any case, the commissions aren't the best you can find, but they are better than most other sites for sure. When you scroll down a bit on this page, you'll see how all this works exactly. So first off, join Social Pilot by creating an account, which is, by the way, free to do as seen below. From there, you will promote Social Pilot to get some people to sign up via your affiliate link. And of course, when they do, you get paid. Something that is very awesome about their payments as well is that they're in recurring commissions, because as you can see below, keep earning 30% commission for every new paid subscription with us. You get commission for every renewal. So if someone signs up for an annual plan, you will earn money for the duration of that plan. If they renew it and sign up for another year, you will keep making money. And this makes Social Pilot a great site for affiliate marketing because you don't need too many customers in order to stack up a lot of money. And that is very important. Something else very important is seen just below. I know many of you love PayPal, so this site will indeed get you paid through PayPal. A bit of a drawback is that you'll need $50 in order to be able to withdraw your money. But considering all the other great features this site has, it's definitely not too big of a deal. To get started working as an affiliate, simply click on Get Started here. From there, just enter in some of your basic information and create your brand new account. And with that done, I'll now show you exactly where and how to get traffic to that link of yours so you can actually get paid. And that traffic, guys, will come from an unlikely source, which is peopleperhour.com. Now, some of you know that this is a freelancing website because I've shown it in one of my previous videos. For those of you who don't know, on People Per Hour, you can either work as a freelancer or you can seek various services from said freelancers. The services can range from proofreading to translation to video animation, video editing, and so on and so forth. I won't go over any of them. Now, we will not be seeking services on People Per Hour, nor will we work as a freelancer either. So let me show you exactly how this site will bring us traffic. What you need to do is click on Search right here, and then you want to click on Search Offers just below. This will now show you people who have posted a gig on here offering their services as freelancers. From there, what you will need to do is search for social media management. So these people are doing essentially what Social Pilot is doing, and all of them are making a ton of money. This person here has over 8,000 reviews with a price of $155. So it's safe to say that we're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars made. And this isn't the only person with a gig like this. If you come back over to this page, you'll see that there are over 900 results, and all of those 900 results are 900 potential customers. Why? Well, think about it, guys. All of these people have to do all of the work themselves, and they can only manage so many social media accounts at a time. And so by using Social Pilot, they would only be investing a small amount of money, but they'll be getting a huge return on that investment. So you can see over on Social Pilot that a monthly membership can cost as little as $25. Meanwhile, the person I showed you previously is charging over $150 per customer. So a single customer would be enough for them to see a massive return of their investment. This is why these people are great potential customers. They're wasting a lot of time and effort, and Social Pilot would be of great benefit to them. It's a great price, and the free trial comes into play here. Both will enable you to get way more customers. What you need to do from here is simple. Contact some of these people. To do that, first you have to open up their offers. You then need to click on their account, which is located here, as you can see. And on the following page, you'll be able to reach out to them by clicking Contact right here. What you will tell them, however, is hugely important. You cannot offer these people your affiliate link on People Per Hour. That will get you banned. What you instead need to tell them is that you have a business proposition for them that would help them out tremendously, and that you would like their email address for further communication. And only when they give you their email address can you give them their link. And what I would recommend is sending something like this. As you can see, I wrote near the end, "If you want more details and the link of the said tool, feel free to message me." And if they do indeed message you, what you'll want to do is simply go over all the great features Social Pilot offers. Tell them about the low price, the free trial, and that they would make a lot more money by investing a tiny sum into Social Pilot. And finally, leave your affiliate link in that message. In this fashion, you'll be able to get them to sign up via that link, mainly because of the low price, but also the free trial, which, as I said, is a huge bonus. From there, guys, just rinse and repeat. Find potential customers, contact them on People Per Hour, get their email, and then send them your affiliate link. In this fashion, you would be getting a lot of signups on your link, and you cannot ever run out of customers. With that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it and want to see more, give this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming uploads, then click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching and see you all soon.